Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. The video title says it all. How to transfer XRP from Coinbase to Robinhood in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, knowing how to move your assets securely is a game changer. Whether you're looking to consolidate your holdings or take advantage of Robinhood's features, I'll walk you through this step by step. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Robinhood, and that you have some XRP in your Coinbase wallet. Also, remember that crypto transfers involve risks like fees and potential delays, so always double-check everything. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Portfolio section and find your XRP. Click on it to open the details. Step 2. Look for the Send or Withdraw option. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Robinhood provides one for your account, so hop over to Robinhood real quick and grab it from their crypto section. Make sure it's specifically for XRP to avoid any mix-ups. Step 3. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Be mindful of network fees. They can vary based on blockchain congestion. Double-check the address to prevent sending your assets to the wrong place. That's a common mistake. Once you're ready, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction, probably with two-factor authentication for security. Now, switch to Robinhood. Step 4. Go to your Robinhood account and navigate to the crypto deposits area. It might take a few minutes to an hour for the XRP to show up, depending on the network. Keep an eye on your transaction status using tools like blockchain explorers. A quick tip. In 2025, regulations might have changed, so always verify that XRP transfers are supported in your region. And remember, crypto prices can swing wildly, so time your moves wisely. That's it for the steps. If you follow this, you'll have your XRP transferred smoothly. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.